I'm back at my favorite spot here in Norway. The car engine is running. I need that to produce heat here because it's December and you look at the temperature here, it's just 4.5 Celsius. So it's getting quite cold. This is the open ocean here in Norway. I would never take a swim in this water because it's always cold. It's the Atlantic Ocean. As for the diet here in Norway, it's nothing new. It's still melons arriving. They're getting a bit... I think the quality of the Piel del Sapo melons are getting a bit worse now. It's probably picked very early so it can stay okay in the winter time, so it's not going bad. I think these are from Spain, and they're also coming from Costa Rica now. Some spinach, some persimmons, and some clementines from Spain. It's not so bad, the fruit quality here in the winter. Actually, it's not so big difference to this compared to summer. As long as you can pick out the best. Take a walk outside here. Often quite windy at this rural part in Norway. You have the ocean and the forests all over the place here, which is what I like about this place. But I look forward to travel to Tanzania in 1 week now. I'll stay there for 1 month at Christmas time. I think that will be very nice with some sunshine now after being in Norway for almost 4 months.